Welcome to Chem Help ASAP. Let's see a case study in a serious safety risk, hERG inhibition. On the screen is a compound, Cinacalcet. This drug treats hyperparathyroidism. It is an allosteric activator of the calcium sensing receptor. The on-target activity of the compound is excellent, with an EC50 of 4 nanomolar. Unfortunately, the compound does also have reasonably strong potency on the hERG channel, with 97% hERG inhibition at 10 micromolar. Although Cinacalcet is an approved drug, approved as safe and effective, the potential for toxicity from hERG inhibition is real. In the reference cited on this slide, scientists set a goal of designing a new allosteric activator of the calcium sensing receptor with less potency on the hERG channel. hERG channel binders do have a profile. They tend to be lipophilic amines, and Cinacalcet is a lipophilic amine. The log P of this compound is 6.3. That is quite greasy, and this basic amine is protonated at physiological pH. So to reduce hERG channel binding, the scientists performing the research could either reduce the lipophilicity or modify the amine, or do both. Let's see what they came up with. Here is what they got. Cinacalcet is on top. Here are its potency values. The activity of the new compound is at the bottom. Note that the potency is almost unchanged, but the extent of hERG inhibition is much lower, from 97% inhibition at 10 micromolar down to just 4% inhibition. Why did this happen? Well, the log P of Cinacalcet is 6.3. The new compound with this carboxylic acid and additional oxygen is more polar, with a log P of 4.5. Furthermore, although the authors do not discuss it much, the oxygen near the nitrogen will reduce the basicity of the nitrogen in the lower compound through an inductive effect. Perhaps that inductive effect is also tempering that hERG inhibition somewhat. This bottom compound, at the time of writing of the research article, was in phase 2 clinical trials with promising safety and efficacy, perhaps rivaling or exceeding those of Cinacalcet. A major idea is that it is sometimes possible to improve the safety of a molecule without overly affecting its other properties, such as on-target potency. These improvements are easier if general trends for toxicity are known, such as hERG inhibition is associated with lipophilic amines. This was just a quick case study in hERG channel inhibition and the structural features that are often associated with hERG safety risks. Please consider subscribing, leaving a like, or making a comment. Take care.